No? This is cut the second video. In this video, I will tell you how to change the default passwords or factory passwords. The default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will change this factory password to other passwords. For example, I change factory password to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let me make operation. Let me change the passwords. Firstly, insert. There is a small hole. This is learning button. This is screwdriver. Hold this button. It will be learning status. Hold. Yes. Hold. Yes. The red LED keeps on. It is learning status. Let me import the old passwords. Firstly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Flash 2 times. Red LED keeps on. It means you can import the new passwords. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Flash 4 times. It means you can import the second passwords, the confirmed passwords, confirm the new passwords. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Flash 2 times and execute the learning status. Now let me check if I make correct operation. If my operation is right, and this LED bulb will be on. Okay, I will use the new passwords. Please watch it carefully. Let me show you. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, successful setting. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is the new passwords. This is an example. You can do like this by this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.